Dalhousie is a popular hill station spread out over 5 hills in Himachal Pradesh, boasting views of the snow-capped peaks of the Dhaulagir ranges. Famous for its meadows, dense forests, and waterfalls, it is especially a favorite amongst honeymooners and family vacationers. A trip to Dalhousie is incomplete without Khajjar. Known as the mini Switzerland of India, Khajjar is just 21 kilometers away. The little hill town is famous for its spellbinding vistas of mountains loaded in white snow and lush green pastures of land. Nature Trinket has a collection of 10 cottages. The snow-clad expanse stand tall in front of the resort, providing a mesmerizing view of the silvery white peaks. A perfect getaway from the busy city life, far away brings to you beautiful nature walks to refresh your mind, lazy creative ambience to read, write, paint and even play the guitar to rejuvenate your soul.